andisabawela unibalisela indaba qha bazawundithuka but ke summarize. I'm not gonna call anyone by name. I'm not gonna mention names, nothing. So you remember mos aba basenciba bebesecourt besithi ubana u-SABC makangasebenzisi igama elithi GNU. Niyakhumbula? Ndoyika ubathi pa because bazawundithuka. So icourt has ruled. Ithi judge ubana he feels like le court nje waste nje ixesha. It's mischievous because ukubone. So I don't know, let me see if I can read a little bit, a few of what the judge has said. And so the case is dismissed with cost, meaning that they must pay the other side. Okay, I'm going to read paragraph 22. It says that it is not the remit of the court to enter into political debate as to the names that players in the political field adopt to brand themselves. What is democratic? What is national? What represents unity? The applicants would have this court decide the political ideals bound up in the use of the name on the basis of their meaning, not in a linguistic sense, but in the realm of political theory. This is unattainable. To my mind, the challenge is mischievous. It seeks to have the court enter these idealistic debates, which is neither its place nor, more formally put, its sphere of jurisdiction. The Constitution does not accord to persons the right to hear only information which it is considered objectively accurate. Thus, constitutional rights are not implicated, and the claim under Section 172 must fail or fall. I think must fall or fail. I don't know. Then Section 47, it says the application is dismissed with cost, which are to be taxed according to Scale C, includes the cost of 2 counsels were employed and the liability for which is to be joint and several.